Oh my god, a liter and a quart of the same thing. Did you know that?
Day 5.
Day
4. Headed to
Todd Harbor.
it is
6.7 miles. 11:30.
11:40. If I beat you in chess at Brew, you owe me a Spro.
Yeah, for sure. If I win, you have to tell Nora these exact words. You suck at driving. With no context whatsoever.
That is Canada. Fish show. Just ran 1 point to get my water bottle that I stupidly left here. I found it though. Made it back. I'm cold.
I'm cold because I was sitting still for 30 minutes after sweating hiking.
Wristwatch got a Russian face like an oligarch. 12 o'clock, boy, silly nice.
You got a little bit of a predicament.
Willie in traffic, I'm feeling nice.
You got this shit. Sam's got this. Sam does not got this. That one up onto the other one. On our way on this beam. To go over.
Right quick, broke boys get fixed. Right quick, nice Sylvester with these.
Give us a good splash. That's disgusting. Pull your boot out. Come on. There you go. Flex into the waterproof boots.
Oh yeah.
Ladies. Nice.
Today's lunch we have tortilla, almond butter, Nutella, jam, honey, craisin, trail mix. Oh, and some ramen. I doubt it, no.
Be persuaded.
When's the last time I asked for some help that I couldn't get from nobody else? Nobody. I don't get weak in the knee.
Look at that. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Update on the thumb. Definitely healing. Like picking up this is fine. This still can't like really zip things.
He's gonna be alright.
Meal number 2. Kitty ramen from Rock Harbor. Will is taking a slightly different approach. Oh my god.
Sir, we gotta get rid of this shit.
Taking one
Take him on for the team. This is like what fucking Elf ate in the movie Elf.
How can I be bird around LA coast? The diamonds is plural, the Tiffany brooch. On my lapel at the table, I'm giving a toast.
It was sweet.
I
Definitely tastes the honey.
Maybe the government got nothing. Me and my baby can do on our own. I landed a trick on my impossible.
So Sam is being a little bitch. He's not eating the rest of it. Gonna wait.
Stone cold, ice cold, unseasoned rice.
It is so seasoned. It's so seasoned. Over seasoned, but
Peppers.
yeah, the peppers are good. Did you take your bite yet?
I'm not taking my bite.
All right, we're gonna go bite for bite. That's a good bite. Let's go, Sam.
We made burritos.
We did make burritos. Those were hella good. We should have gotten some pictures of those.
And then this is the leftovers, but while we were frying the burritos, this was just sitting without heat the whole time. And so it's like
So I'm not going for a final bite.
colder than,
So good.
colder than air temperature right now.
It's so good.
Potentially colder than Lake Superior.
You finish it off.
I don't get weak in the knee. I just better like a fan. Purple like some Gucci sand. Open the sky, get a hand. Toss some up like a vandal. Are you not fucking with cash?
Shout out to Josiah for letting me buy this jacket off.
I got the grip like a handle. And I'm biking with me and my Daniel. AD's got the angels. Stevie's got the angles. I'm breaking. Got it.